Lehigh University's new STEPS facility is the largest building on campus with 135,000 square feet. There are three main components. To the left is the south wing. It is 1 story. The central wing is 4 stories, and to the right is the north wing, which is 5 stories. This building has integrated science labs, wet, dry, semi-dry labs, which are the main home for biology, chemistry, earth and environmental science, and civil and environmental engineering. This is the first building to integrate art from the initial concept and design. The artist is Larry Kirkland, and one of the main features that he integrated into the building is the chestnut tree etched on the main window of the atrium. This is the atrium, which includes plasma TVs, which are located on each floor. It also includes study alcoves, which are located on each floor of the north wing. To the left is the central wing. To the right is the north wing. The atrium spans up 5 floors. This is the south wing concourse. Ahead in the center is a courtyard, and to your right is the Earth and Environmental Science Department home. Up ahead are 2 of the largest classrooms in the complex. Here's a close-up of the inner courtyard in the middle of the south wing. You can also see the outer courtyard, which includes a waterfall with an etching of 2 hands coming together. In between is a repetition of the American chestnut theme on the etching of the glass. On the floor is another piece by Larry Kirkland. It is carved into the granite and it's meant to represent the interconnectedness of life. It is a woven tapestry with one thread that comes out of one side, and on the other edge is a poem by John Muir, which speaks to the interconnectedness of life. This is the largest lecture room in the STEPS building. It is the very first room you walk past when you enter the south wing. One of the features of this building is to create a lot of informal and collaborative study space. This is one of the large study lounges in the central wing, and you can see the view of Packard Lab. You can also see some of the LEED certification features on this building. One is these overhangs over each section of window, which diffuse some of the sunlight and which allows the building to stay cool enough in the summer and warm enough in the winter. Here is a picture of the green vegetative roof. It is still currently growing, and it helps to save on runoff and helps keep the building insulated. This will give you a sense of the great views. We are in the north wing on the 5th floor. You can see Southside Bethlehem, Martin Towers, and the Hill to Hill and Fahey bridges. This will give you an idea of the classrooms in the STEPS building. This is an Earth and Environmental Science lab, and here on display is Lehigh's extensive fossil and mineral collection, which used to be kept in locked cabinets in the basement of Williams Hall for years and years, and now they get to be shared with others.